to my channel. My name is Natalie if you're new, and today we're gonna be filming a closet clean out video. It's that time of the year and my closet is overflowing again. So yeah, I gotta go and clean it out, especially because I'm actually joining a festival at the end of the month and I'm gonna be having a pop-up there and I'm gonna be selling all of the clothes that we're gonna get rid of today. So that's super exciting. If you live in Czech Republic or Prague, this is the festival, so make sure to check it out. Whatever, let's just jump into it. Welcome to my closet. This is it. This is the whole thing. I used to share it with my sister, but now it's kind of all mine, which is amazing. And I know there is a lot of stuff, okay? I know. I think I'm first gonna start out with that wall just because it's the first, you know, thing you see. Okay, these are all my dresses. I'm kind of happy how color coordinated they are, so I really want to stick to that. But I do know that there are multiple dresses that just don't fit me correctly and that I just don't like. This is the first one. I think I'm gonna try to alter it because it's this beautiful white, like, athletic dress. I have nothing like this dress. It's like a sweater dress, but again, it's after my mom, so I'll ask her. This yellow dress, I don't really wear that much. Okay, I know this looks kind of drastic, and it is, but I think, you know, I will see what will sell on the pop-up and then I will put the rest back. Anyways, let me go try these on and we'll see what I will put back. Okay, this is the first dress. I mean, I don't wear it that much right now because I'm kind of like not into colors, but I think my love for colors will soon return. So I think I'm gonna keep this dress when that happens because it fits me perfectly. It's very flattering, it's very fun, so I'm keeping this. This dress, on the other hand, like I wore it once on a holiday last year. No, 2 years ago actually. I think I'm gonna try to sell this. I don't know about this dress. Like, I like how unique it is, but then it doesn't really fit me right. Like, it's too big around my waist. So I think I'm gonna try to sell this too. Okay, I don't know what I was saying about this dress. This dress is amazing and I'm definitely gonna keep it. I think the only thing that I wasn't sure about is how big it is around my waist, but I can easily just alter this. So yeah, I'm definitely keeping this. Oh my god. Okay, so out of all of those dresses, only 3 made it back. It literally looks full again, like. Okay, moving on to this category. Here are all of my like shirts and cardigans. So again, I'm gonna quickly go through it, then try it on, and we'll see again if I want it back. Literally, ugh, it's so heavy I cannot even hold it. Oh hey! It's been about 3 weeks since that last clip you saw because I've been really busy. Just life happened, I guess. So yeah, anyways, let's continue right now. That section behind me is all done. It seems very, very empty, but that's really great. I really love that because I have so much space to like fill it with new dresses and new, you know, shirts and stuff that I will actually wear. I think I'm gonna jump straight into it and I'm gonna move on to all of my skirts, which are right here. I'm gonna pull everything out and let's just sit down. Okay, this was actually really hard. These are all the skirts that I'm keeping. It's just 5 of them. Then these are all the ones that I'm definitely gonna try to sell, and then these in the middle are like a maybe, and I still need to try these on to see like if I want to keep them or not. So actually, let's do that right now. I think this is keep. I don't really know. Honestly, it just fits me so well, and it's like I don't really own that many colorful skirts, and this is like a perfect little light blue color, so I think I'm gonna keep this. I don't know about this skirt. Like, it's the perfect little mini skirt, but it's kind of see-through, and then also it's made from this like material. I don't know, should I just try to sell this and then if it doesn't sell, I'll just keep it? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, this skirt is like super similar to the first skirt that we tried on. It has the same print, because then also this one is after my mom, so it holds like sentimental value, and this one is thrifted, so I feel like I should keep this one. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one, and then again, if this doesn't sell, I'm just gonna keep it as well. Okay, another one of these like schoolgirl checkered skirts. Do I actually wear it? I haven't worn this like in the past 2 years. You know what's coming. I'm gonna try to sell it, and then if it doesn't sell, I'm gonna keep it. Okay, then we have this skirt, which is kind of like wrap around skirt, and it's also after my mom, so again, sentimental value. I kind of like this shade of gray, because then I also have this gray skirt, but like this one is more like blue toned, but then I like this cut more than this one. You know what? I'm gonna try to sell this one, and then this one I'm keeping. But I'm just gonna try it on just in case. Okay, I'm switching it up. I'm gonna keep this one and then try to sell the other one. Yeah. Okay, then we have this skirt, which I actually never ever wore. So that's a bad sign. Sell. I'm gonna sell it. Okay, then we have this skirt, which I actually bought not so long ago. It's from one of my hauls. Honestly, I'm gonna try to sell it because like the silhouette just is very weird, so I'm gonna try to sell it. I'm really proud of myself. I have a black, beige, gray, and then I also have a white skirt, but that's in laundry right now, and then a colorful skirt, and that's basically all I need, so yay. Now moving on to all of my scarves. I have so many of them, and then I also have a lot of these headbands, which I've sewn actually in one of my last videos. Let's just go through all of it. I'm again just gonna take everything on the floor. Didn't get rid of that many of them. These are all the ones that I'm keeping. It's a lot, okay, but like I love all of them. And again, they hold a lot of sentimental value because they're after my grandma, and a lot of them are very expensive. They're like 100% silk and stuff, so I don't really want to get rid of them, you know, because I know they will last me like forever. But yeah, these are all the ones that I'm getting rid of, so it's still a good amount, okay? And then from the headbands, I'm just keeping all of these, and then all of these are gonna be for sale. So, also a lot. I think I'm gonna skip all of my sweaters because my sweaters are like all of this. And I kind of already divided them into the ones that I wear all the time, which are here, and then the ones that I don't really wear, which are all in the back right there. So I think I'm just gonna, you know, once the pop-up is gonna be near, I'm just gonna take all of these and take them with me and just leave these here. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna touch these. So yeah, let's just skip and move on to this section. I think I'm gonna start from the top, which is this section right here, which are all of like my light knits. So like all of my turtlenecks and like cardigans and stuff. So yeah, let me go through it. I'm gonna keep all of this, and then all of this I'm gonna get rid of. The next section is all of my white tops. So these are all of like sleeve tops, and then these are all of like tank tops and things without sleeves. Okay, I'm going to be selling all of these. Then all of this is a maybe pile, so we're gonna try that in a bit. And then these I'm 100% keeping. It's not a lot actually. I think I'm like being too drastic, but like again, most of the stuff won't sell, so a lot of it will come back, so it's okay. Okay, these are all of my black and colorful tops, so let's do the same thing. Okay, these are the things that I'm keeping. Kind of a lot went away. I know. This is going to the sell pile, so a huge bunch. And then these three things are to the maybe pile. Moving on to my jeans. This is going to be drastic, okay? Because like a lot of my jeans are just suffocating. Honestly, all of these, goodbye. These are the ones that I'm keeping. Again, I know. This looks crazy, but you probably should know that I'm also going through like a really tough time in my life right now, so I'm kind of like getting rid of all the things that don't really make me happy, and I just don't want to have jeans that don't fit me anymore, okay? Because they make me feel like shit. So all of these, goodbye. And then all of these are going to the maybe pile. I sound like a crazy person. These are my pants. Again, a lot of them are gonna go away, okay? These are the ones that I'm keeping. These are the ones that are going to the maybe pile. These are the ones that I'm getting rid of. You can see that I'm also getting rid of all the colorful things because I don't really feel colorful. Yet again, I sound crazy. Moving on to this section, which are all of my sweatpants and like leggings and shorts. I think for my sweatpants, I'm actually only gonna get rid of these two because they just don't really fit me that well. These are the ones that I'm keeping. These two are going to the maybe pile. And then only these three to the sell pile. The maybe pile is like huge. So let me bring everything to my room again and let's try it on. Okay guys, so all of this plus all of these dresses which are stored in my parents' bedroom, I'm gonna be selling and giving away. I think we got rid of over half of my closet, which is really crazy. I think this is like the most dramatic closet clean out that I've ever done on my channel. This is how my closet looks right now. I think it looks amazing and I cannot wait to fill it like with clothes that I actually will wear and that will last me for a long time. I'm definitely trying to be more conscious of what I'm buying. I'm trying to purchase some more like classy, you know, long-lasting pieces. But yeah guys, that was everything for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Definitely don't forget to check out my Vinted if you're from Europe because I will be selling like most of these items on there if they don't sell in the pop-up. And then also don't forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah guys, that is it. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!